I've been doing this almost 20 years, and when I first started, I was absolutely the only woman in the room. In the last couple of decades, it has improved as far as the number of women just in this industry, because they realize these are good industries to be in. Salt of the earth, good people making impacts. That's the cool part. I get to see and do so many different things, and no day is the same. And there's still moments where it's like, man, we need some more manufacturing in general. We need more women in manufacturing. We have been around for a long time. And the reason we've been around for a long time is that we've had really good people. They take what they've learned and they pass it on. There's a lot of women in this country that don't understand how good a career you can have in manufacturing.